How to save your progress in Prince of Persia, The Lost Crown. First of all, launch open the Prince of Persia, The Lost Crown on your device, and once you're inside, go ahead and tap on this Ubisoft Connect option on the left. Here in this page, you will be able to see different login options. Simply select whether you'd like to log in with Ubisoft, Google, or Facebook. I'm just going to click on the Ubisoft option to save my progress. Now go ahead and enter your email address and then your password in the respective fields. After typing down your credentials, click Login. If you don't remember your password for your Ubisoft account, tap on Forgotten Password and follow through the instructions. Soon after you tap Login, you will be able to sign in to Prince of Persia, The Lost Crown with your Ubisoft account. Now that is how you log in or save your progress across devices on Prince of Persia, The Lost Crown game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.